What is dovetail deck floor? Dovetail deck is a long-span metal decking system that's available in both roof and floor decking. The dovetail ribs are designed so that they provide a finished-looking ceiling that allows you to attach lighting, HVAC, plumbing, or electrical to the underside of the panels. Dovetail decking is a type of metal roof and floor deck that blends structural metal decking and an architectural ceiling. It's the perfect product to carry the load requirements of your structure, while still providing a sleek, modern, and finished-looking ceiling. The dovetail roof deck is available in non-acoustical and acoustical panels. Available finishes include galvanized or primer painted over galvanized. VersaDeck registered trademark as a versatile and visually appealing dovetail deck that bolsters the cost efficiency and structural performance of your project. Its signature shape creates a strong deck with impressive span and overhang capabilities, making it ideal for open interior and exterior spaces. The dovetail design also provides a clean, smooth, lineal plank ceiling aesthetic while concealing side lap and fastener penetrations. What is a Type B metal deck? Type B deck is the most common structural metal decking in the industry. It is an ideal structural substrate on short to medium span conditions that range from 3 feet to 10 feet in distance. B-deck is lightweight, strong, economical, and easy to install. B-metal roof decking also uses in more unusual configurations that may be sloped or curved. Steel decking products are the preferred method of floor construction for multi-story structural steel-framed buildings, and floor deck offers structural engineers and contractors a versatile and cost-effective composite steel flooring solution. Really, decking machine. This is the new type we engineer for roof and B-floor decking roll forming lines, used for building surface panel. The advantages of metal deck roll forming machines are a high wave, high strength, high automation, and low cost. Roof decking floor profiles are typically used as the structural component. The steel decking floor is a cold-formed steel sheet. Metal decking is used in roof and floor systems for supporting the concrete or insulating membrane of a roof. Its design and construction magnify the properties of the steel. It causes to create a high strength-to-weight ratio that lowers the material, handling, and erection costs. In addition to steel floor decking roll forming machine, this is the new type we engineer for decking machine, used for building surface panel. Metal deck roll forming machine is a modern, preeminent solution for concrete floor work.